Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services. Hope all of you are doing and prepare well. So this is a video on daily topic wise news analysis where we cover the news from two important newspapers, that is the Hindu and Indian Express. So let's get started with the topic first. So these are the lists of the topic from both of the newspaper. Today is 9th of October. So the first topic is Assisted Reproductive Technology, that is also known as ART bill. Now the second topic is with regards to quarter two record surge in the fresh investment. We have a quarter one record before like two months prior. So this is regarding the quarter two. Now the World Bank GDP forecast. So this is some important arguments and statement coming from the World Bank. And the last topic is winning back the trust in vaccines. Apart from all these topics that I'll be discussing, we'll be also discussing the MCQs question at the end of this video and the explanation of yesterday questions. तो जो कल के सवाल थे उसको भी डिस्कस करूंगा मैं. तो stay tuned till end of this video. And those of you who have appeared for civil services prelims examination and are comfortably getting 100 plus in the prelims examination, they can definitely enroll themselves for the mains assessment program through the test series, that is for the CSC 2020. So you can enroll for this program. The description in this video, we have provided the link. So you can check the description of this video and register yourself. And those aspirants who want to prepare for the prelims, upcoming prelims, they can also enroll themselves. We are offering some of the good promotional discount which you can apply and get benefit out of it, right? So do check it out, register yourself. Now coming to the first topic from the Indian Express, this is from the editorial. So it talks about the Assisted Reproductive Technology Bill, what it is and how this is going to be important for your examination. So this would be equally important for your general studies paper 2 and paper 3. And this bill itself is very relevant in your prelims examination. So recently the Union Health Ministry, Minister basically Harshvardhan, he has introduced the ART bill known as Regulation Bill 2020 and the Lok Sabha, that is on September 14. So the bill aims to regulate the ART banks, all the assisted reproductive technology banks, clinics, how safely they would practice the ethical practice of the ART and protect women and child from the exploitation. So these are some of the main aim of the bill, right? So this would be the aim of the bill. Now the bill was introduced to supplement the Surrogacy Bill 2019. And surrogacy being very important topic, UPSC can ask you an analysis on the mains examination for the upcoming years and basically for this year as well. So this become very relevant. So you do have to note a fodder point. So I'll be telling some important points. So which awaits the consideration by the Rajya Sabha after the review of 2 parliamentary committees. So अगर मैं बताऊं जो सरोगेसी बिल है 2019 की उसको कंसिडर किया गया राज्यसभा में और 2 जो हमारी पार्लियामेंट्री कमिटीज़ हैं उन्होंने भी इसको कंसिडर किया, अपने रिव्यूज़ दिए हैं. उसके बाद फाइनली जो ART है उसके थ्रू रेगुलेशन करने की कोशिश की जा रही है. Now some important provisions of the bill. So the bill requires the egg donor, जो egg donor है उनके उसको written consent में देना होगा, but it does not require her counseling or the ability to withdraw her consent before or during the procedures. That is likely unlike or the commissioning parties. So ये एक point काफ़ी important है. तो जो डोनर होंगे उनको रिटर्न कंसेंट चाहिए होगा, बट उनको काउंसलिंग के लिए कोई एबिलिटी दैट विल नॉट बी प्रोवाइडेड. Now C receives no compensation or reimbursement for the expenses loss of the salary. जो अगर वो किसी इंडिविजुअल को अगर किसी ने पार्टिसिपेट करने की चार्ज की है या इट इज़ विलिंग टू डू सो, तो जो उसकी कंपनसेशन अमाउंट है उसके बारे में कोई जिक्र नहीं है. द टाइम एंड एफर्ट विच वुड बी पुट, उसके बारे में कोई बातें नहीं है. Now failing to pay for the bodily service constitutes unfree labors and it is prohibited by Article 23 of the Constitutions. तो राइट, तो आर्टिकल 23 क्या है ये आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं. Now the child born from the ART do not have the right to know his or her parentage. कौन उसके पेरेंट्स हैं उनके बारे में उसको जानने की कोई हक नहीं उस बच्चे को. And which is crucial for the best interests that are protected under the previous drafts. Now कुछ criticism भी हैं, कुछ concern भी हैं इस बिल को लेकर के, because we already had a discussion on the ART. This has been reported in the newspaper in the editorial section, so it become very relevant for you to know it in depth. So the 15 years in the making जो ART bill है, it is unsatisfactory. This is the concern that has been raised, and it fails to respond the need of 27 million infertile Indian couples. उसके अलावे the first concern is who can access the ART, like the documents, the data that is there, is the privacy has to be maintained, or this would be like made public by the hospitals and the government. So if it is done, it would violate the Article 14 of the Constitution, right? So this is with regards to right to privacy, and the jurisprudence was also there in the Puttaswamy judgment. So Puttaswamy judgment is one of the landmark judgment when it's come to right to privacy. So if you're writing mains examination and any question is there with right to privacy, do not forget to quote Mr. Puttaswamy. It's a very important judgment, right? तो जजमेंट में ये कही गई है कि जो अगर किसी इंडिविजुअल, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि अगर सैंटिटी ऑफ मैरिज या लिबर्टी ऑफ प्रोक्रिएशन या चॉइस ऑफ फैमिली लाइफ है, दैट इज द डिग्निटी ऑफ बीइंग, दैट इज द डिग्निटी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल उसके लिए रिस्पेक्टिव सोशल स्टेटस हो या फिर किसी भी तरह से उसकी एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ प्राइवेसी जो है वो किसी भी तरह से खतरे में नहीं होनी चाहिए, राइट? इट इज कंसर्न्ड ऑल इंडिविजुअल इर्रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ देयर सोशल स्टेटस. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी सोशल हायरार्की पे इसको लिए जो बाइफर्केशन की गई है या डेविएशन की गई है, डिवाइड किया गया है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. पुट्टास्वामी जजमेंट ने क्लियरली स्टेट किया है, इर्रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द सोशल स्टेटस, everyone has a right to the sanctity of marriage, liberty of procreation and choice of family. इसके अलावे पुट्टास्वामी केस की और भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट, इफ यू वांट I can provide you the details, but I'll rather suggest you to go into the Google and you can search it out, Puttaswamy judgment. You'll get more important insights. If you do not find it, do let us know via comment section. I'll be more than happy to give you the details of the Puttaswamy judgment, right? Now coming to the bill designated the surrogacy board under the SRB. So this would be functioning as an advisory board. ART के अंदर advisory board की काम करेगी वो, जो कि एक desirable होगी. Now the bill also require the clinic and banks to maintain the grievances cell, क्योंकि इस तरह के चीज़ों में grievances को address करना सबसे पहले priority हो जाती है, right? And this would be done by the one-sided, and clinic must instead have the ethical commitments. जो clinics होंगे उनको जो ethics हैं, basically जो ethics committees हैं या जो ethics commitments हैं, उन सारी चीज़ों को follow करनी होगी. And mandated counseling services should also be independent of the clinic. It is also essential कि जो लोग हैं उनको proper counseling दी जाए. The bill raised the several constitutional, medico-legal, ethical, regulatory concern affecting million and truly by reviewed before the passage. So this has a lot chaos and concern from the stakeholder and from the couple who would be opting for the ART. So in light of that, the government has to take all the consideration before it regulates some of the the designated body, the regulatory body, so that the proper grievances of the individual is concerned and taken care of, right? Now coming to the other news, that is from the Q2 record surge in the fresh investment. This news you can find in the front page of the Hindu. So this become important for your general studies paper 3. Now fresh investment proposal has surged sharply. This is what the quarter has shown, the second quarter. So it rise like around 107% over the first quarter, right? And 2,290 new projects were entailed as an investment, and the total corpus of the investment was 2.1 lakh crore rupees. So this is a good news. This is a positive impression that economy is showing in terms of the investment. And the private sector investment also recovered significantly, right? If you talk about the rising ratio, the percentage is 87% from the previous quarter, where it was extensively in the negative, and it has triggered to minus 23.9%, right? It has contracted to minus 23.9%. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट ईयर टू ईयर बेसिस, अगर सालाने के हिसाब से बात करें तो जो फ्रेश इन्वेस्टमेंट है बिटवीन जुलाई एंड सितंबर, दैट वुड अराउंड 11.32%. ये जो फ्रैक्शन की जो ग्रोथ देखी गई है वो इतनी है, बट दिस इज नॉट दैट हाई, ठीक है? इट इज लाइक अभी भी लोअर कैटेगरी में है, बट द साफ रिकवरी ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द फर्स्ट क्वार्टर दैट वाज नियरली 73% लोअर. सो यू कैन सी द डिफरेंसेस हियर, राइट? ना कुछ स्टेट की परफॉर्मेंस बताई गई है जिन्होंने अच्छे परफॉर्म किए. सो छत्तीसगढ़ इज द स्टेट दैट हैव रिसीव्ड मोस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द सेकेंड क्वार्टर, फॉलोड बाय तमिलनाडु which has stopped the fresh investment in the first quarter, and these reports are as per the projects today. This is the latest report on the investment announced between the July to September quarter, right? So this is for this quarter. And talking about the Karnataka was a third state on the list, followed by Gujarat and Maharashtra. And the impressive increase in the fresh investment proposal, increase in the tendering activities, and a sharp jump in the number of finalized project in the quarter two, which preceding quarter indicated, right? That is bounce back to the investment and other activities in India. So this was all about the state performance. I will show you an infographic that will give you more clarity. So this is with regards to the state performances. So the fund inflow among the state, Chhattisgarh, as I told you, has received the largest investment, and the total project in the Chhattisgarh were 114. तो आप देख सकते हो, और जो टोटल उनको इन्वेस्टमेंट के तौर पे जो अमाउंट मिली है, दैट इज 35,771 करोड़ रुपीस. सो दिस अमाउंट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. आपके लिए ये अमाउंट, कितने फंड इन्वेस्ट किए गए, कितने प्रोजेक्ट्स आए, ये आपको जानना ज़रूरी नहीं है. बट आपको ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि छत्तीसगढ़ हैज स्टॉप्ड. इतने आपको इतने फैक्चुअल चीज़ आपको याद रखनी है. इफ़ यू डोंट रिमेंबर प्रोजेक्ट, नो वरीज. इफ़ यू डोंट रिमेंबर दिस अमाउंट, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ वरी फॉर यू. Make sure you know the relevant point that is important for the examination. So Chhattisgarh has topped the rank with 1014. After that, Tamil Nadu, this combined from the second quarter as well, 132, Karnataka 287, Gujarat 229, Maharashtra 182, Uttar Pradesh 129, and Andhra Pradesh 194. So all India, this was 2219, fine. And this is the investment in rupees. So the amount would not be relevant for you in the examination. You have to know the hierarchy and the state which are performing. Now, World Bank has widened the GDP contraction forecast to 9.6. So this is the World Bank GDP forecast. This would be again relevant for your general studies paper 3. Now, in the South Asia Economy Focus Report, the World Bank has expected that the economy would contract by 9.6% in 2021. So this forecast has been revised because World Bank has already estimated in June that the economy is going to be shrink by 3.2% amid COVID-19 pandemic. But what World Bank did, they again revisited this graphic and they changed it, right? Another anticipation is that it would be contracting by 9.6%. So this revision reflects the impact of the COVID-19 on the national lockdown, and it has severely impacted the economy in general, the economic shock experienced by the household and the firm. So the individual which has encountered it has been a lot, because many people have lost their jobs, many people have their salary cut, even the people have no more livelihood options. So everything combined together compile up to a conclusion that economy would be somewhere contracting by 9.6%. Now, अगर बात करें GDP की, तो GDP has contracted to 23.9%. This is this much, and the first quarter, this was in the minus, right? This was the negative figure, and for the second quarter, is it expected to end in the November? And the World Bank has also mooted. It has also said that the continuation of the critical reform will suddenly reverse the severe impact that was there because of the COVID-19, and economy could recover itself, right? So this is a positive note where option has been given that economy could recover. Despite all the shield measure, the vulnerable household, the trajectory of the poverty which is there, something which is said that if it has slowed, it would also be reversed, but still not reversed yet. But we could be optimistic that this can happen because the green shoots that already said by the government is taking place, and it will take another 2 to 3 more quarter to economy perform in a normalcy. So it is said that it is significant disruption of the job likely to be boosted by the poverty rate, and with 2020 the rates are back in level to 2016. तो जिस तरह से जो जॉब की लॉसेस हुई है, जितनी सारी जॉब कट हुई है, उसके बाद अभी इंडिया कहीं ना कहीं अगर जॉब की परफॉर्मेंस पे देखें, पॉवर्टी रेट पे देखें, तो हम 2016 के ग्राफ पे वापस आ चुके हैं. Now the last topic of the day, that is winning back the trust in vaccines. So this is with regards to FDA, जो Food and Drugs Administration है यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की, उसके बारे में कोविड-19 के वैक्सीन के जो ट्रायल हैं उसको लेकर के कुछ बातें कही गई है. So this would be again important for your general studies paper 2 in the IR section, right? So the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration of the United States, and the pharmaceutical companies are taking steps to address the concern about the COVID-19 vaccine. And I would like to remind you that the US President has told repeatedly that the COVID-19 vaccine would be available in mid-October. But nothing sort of thing has happened in the United States. The things are getting worse in the US, right? And despite the fact, the guidance of the emergency use of the authorization for the vaccine to prevent the COVID-19 has not been released yet. And the Food and Drugs Administration are taking it very seriously, very cautiously, so that any mistake could not happen in the vaccine trials. So what they did, the FDA has made it clear that the data from the phase 3 studies should include median follow up duration. उन्होंने किसी चीज में जल्दबाजी करने की बात नहीं कही है, और ये क्लियरली कहा गया कि एटलीस्ट 2 months वुड बी टेकन, कम से कम 2 महीने का फेज 3 ट्रायल होना चाहिए अंटिल द फुल वैक्सीनेशन रिजीम इज देयर इन टेकिंग प्लेस. तो अगर जो फुल वैक्सीनेशन जब से स्टार्ट होती है उससे पहले एफडीए तभी अप्रूवल देगी जब सारी चीज़ें जो बेनिफिट रिस्क प्रोफाइल्स हैं वो सारे को चेक कर लिया जाएगा एफडीआई के द्वारा. एंड आफ्टर दैट, जैसे इंडिया में हमारा सिटको है, उस तरह से एफडीआई यूएस में है जो कि अप्रूव करती है वैक्सीन को. नाउ एफडीए की गाइडलाइंस मैं आपको बता दूं, दैट हैज़ कम आफ्टर द व्हाइट हाउस मीन्स जो प्रेसिडेंट होते हैं, दैट हैज़ ब्लॉक द रिलीज ड्यू टू द कंसर्न गाइडलाइन. और जो अराइवल थी फर्स्ट डोज की वो इलेक्शन से पहले होनी थी, बट इट हैज़ अगेन बीन डिलेड. एंड एफडीआई की तरफ से ये होप की जा रही है कि गाइडेंस ऑफ कोविड-19 वैक्सीन वो इस वजह से दैट इट विल हेल्प द पब्लिक टू अंडरस्टैंड द साइंस बेस्ड डिसीजन प्रोसेस, राइट. क्योंकि यूएस चाहता है वहाँ के जो ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर हैं, खास करके एफडीए की बात करूँ, किसी तरह से क्वालिटी, सेफ्टी और इक्विफेसी से कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ ना हो, राइट. जो भी अथॉरिटी है, जो भी अप्रूवल अथॉरिटी है, वो सारे चीज़ों को चेक करें. और फेज 3 ट्रायल के बाद 2 महीने का टाइम दिया गया कि एटलीस्ट एवरीथिंग शुड बी टेकन इन प्लेस. क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा जिस तरह से जो रशिया की वैक्सीन है स्पुतनिक 5, उसको लेकर के भी डब्ल्यूएचओ ने कहा था कि बहुत जल्दीबाजी में ट्रायल की गई हैं, राइट. तो दीज थिंग्स नीड टू बी कंसिडर. और सितंबर में जो 9 वैक्सीन मैन्युफैक्चरर्स थे, दे कम इन टू द जॉइंट अश्योरेंस टू द पब्लिक दैट दे वुड डेवलप द कोविड-19 वैक्सीन इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द हाई एथिकल स्टैंडर्ड एंड साउंड साइंटिफिक प्रिंसिपल. So this is what the company claimed. The pharmaceutical company have taken a note of it that they would be doing everything under the rule and regulation guided by the FDA. But this is something which is the topmost priority, and well-being of the vaccinated individuals should be the priority of the pharmaceutical company as well as the regulatory authority. In case of United States, it is FDA, and in case of India, it is ICMR and CITCO, right? And in a precedent move, the pharmaceutical company like Moderna, it's a like largest farm of the United States when it comes to the vaccine production. Pfizer is there, and AstraZeneca has published the phase 3 protocols to inform public and scientists about their evidences of the companies that would determine the vaccine if they are effective. So the FDA is taking all it possible caution so that once the vaccine is there in the market, everything is solved and everything is shorted, right. So they're coming with the final solution with the vaccine. So this is something which has been reported. Now coming to the answers that was there for the yesterday questions. So the first question, the answer here is C, that the commercial paper is a short-term capital requirement available at the lower than the bank rate, and the major bank of the commercial paper is that it does not need to be registered with the Security Exchange Commission as long as it mature before the 9 month or 270 days, and it is very cost effective meaning of financing, right. So the correct option here would be C. Now the second question here also the correct option is C. Now let's start with the MCQs question. So these are some of the important questions for you. So the first question is with regard to polity. The president can resign from his office at any time by addressing the resignation letter to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, and the president can hold office beyond the term of 5 years. So this is a very easy question that has been asked by the UPSC as well. First statement was already been asked. So you have to consider the statement that A, B, C or D. Which among the following statement is true? Now the second is from the geography. With reference to cyclonic rainfall, consider the following statement. It is a common in equatorial region. This is the first question. Now the second is wind blow from all sides toward the center in the low pressure. So if you have read NCERT, this would be very easy for you to answer this question. So what you have to do, just write the correct option in the comment section down below. And if you have any additional information with regards to cyclic rainfall, you can also share that also in the comment section down below. So do participate, write your answer in the comment section. And if you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe Apti Plus Academy on our YouTube. There are a lot of videos, compilation, which is there, which would be helpful for you in terms of the civil services exam preparation. So do check the playlist section of this video. And if you like this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up. If you have any other concern, do let us know. We'll be more than happy to assist you. For time being, I'm signing off. Wish you all the best. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.